Hi, y'all.
Hey, y'all. But here's what we got from Korea.
Okay, Miss Carol.
So here's some snack cakes.
Have you tried one yet?
I have.
Is it good?
So they remind me of it's like a giant frosted flake.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah, it's like crunchy. It's like a rice cake on the bottom, but it has this layer of sugar on it. So I want it I would always eat one at 10 a.m. after breakfast when I wanted something
Yeah.
So we got
I need a sugar cake.
A little sugar cake. And then I brought back, this is white chocolate on a biscuit. So we've got that.
Are these all the same?
No. Okay, so one of them is whole milk and one of them's almond milk.
Whole milk is yours, Chris.
Yeah, whole milk is yours.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so this is something I got for y'all's house. This is Korean soy sauce, but it's like a red paste.
Yum. I knew you'd come back with some red paste, girl. I called it.
It's like a paste. It's
Why is it green?
It's red. It's
With
so
soy
good.
sauce?
You put it on top of rice or noodles, and it has a little bit of a spice to it, kick,
Yeah, I just
heat.
put it on a toothbrush.
I also brought, I don't remember what this is, but it's another paste.
It's like toothpaste.
It's another paste. It's
Big paste, girl.
from Google.
Who does it?
Okay, and then you guys each get a sheet mask, or 2 types of sheet mask. There's a Dr. Jart one, and then there's a Korea one.
Oh.
So
Wow.
each one of those for y'all. Hey!
Oh, look how little this pepperoni is.
Oh, Allie got an adult Lunchable. We just left Whole Foods and got snacks. I gotta go macro bar. Allie got a little Lunchable. And we're just out running errands. We're about to go back to Hayes' house and drop off all the groceries that we just bought for tonight. I'm remaking that cauliflower potato soup that I showed in my North Carolina vlog. So just checking in, just running some errands, just bebopping around town like the busy girlies we are. What's that place called again? Just Juice?
Just organic juice.
Perfect. Anyways, oh, by the way, we went to Sephora. I said I would report back on taking your empty products, your empty
Bottles.
to Sephora. I heard if you take them back and recycle them, you get a discount. You don't. They just go in a cute little brown box for recycling. So I don't know if you want to carry your trash to the mall like I did, but it's not for a discount. So update on that one. So anyways, we're just going to continue to bebop around and go cook soup at Hayes' house tonight. So see ya. Bye. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Anyways, I'm about to shower, but just wanted to give you a quick little Sephora haul. Went to Sephora and picked up some stuff. Also went to Whole Foods and got my favorite creamer. This is literally the best creamer that you can buy. It's Sown, the sweet and creamy one, and then also the oat milk, or the sweet and creamy and the vanilla one. It's so good. So I got that. Then from Sephora, I picked up, it's the time of the season, we have a fresh bottle of fake tan and a fresh knit. This is the Saint Tropez Advanced 1 Hour Tan. I really think this is the best fake tan on the market, so I got that. I got another Necessaire body wash, and then it's in the eucalyptus flavor, or scent, which is my favorite. And then I got another Necessaire deodorant, also the best deodorant on the market. I've gotten so many of my friends on this deodorant. It's a fave. And then I got a travel pack here. So this is the body wash, body lotion, and body serum. I'm leaving for London next week, so I just needed some more travel goods. So that is all I got. I am about to get in the shower right now and wash this hair and then head on back to Hayes' house to cook the soup for tonight. So let's just keep this day rolling. Just all on the appointments, all on the errands. I love a day that's just filled with nothing but errands. I literally have just gotten so much done today. Just good, complete feeling. So, okay, let's shower. Say hey to Hayes' TikTok.
Oh, and we're over here.
Oh, and over here. All the content circled. We made it to Hayes' house.
I'm almost out of storage too. Okay. All right. Allie spilled the glasses with ice. Next, we're gonna go in with 1 shot of tequila. Fabulous.
All right, so we're in the very beginning stages of making this cauliflower soup. We're very excited. One little hack I want to share with everybody is that you should really be using the majority of your cauliflower. Don't throw away all this stem. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so after you get rid of like the leaves, roast all of this and eat all of this. Don't just cut off the little florets, you know?
I'm learning something new. This is all my daily.
She's going in. Garlic, lots of thyme. Pop her in. Vlog. It's actually almost not morning. It's 11:21. I slept in till like 10:45 this morning, which is wild. But I guess I really needed it from jet lag. I just wanted to check in with you this morning. I'm just getting ready. We're going to go to Park City to watch some football games and meet up with Mary Copeland. But I just wanted to show you some of the Korean beauty products that I'm using. So this is the Style Nada 3CE Sheer Liquid Blush in the shade Cozy Peach. It's like kind of corally. It's really pretty, blends in so nice. So just wanted to show you that. Big blush girl over here. And then, sorry, I like have morning voice still. And then I'm gonna go in with this highlighter I bought. It's Lily Bird Love Beam Glow Veil in the shade 2. So it looks like that, like iridescent color. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on for a little highlight. And then lastly, I got these really pretty, everything's pretty, FMGT coloring eyeshadow stick. So I'll swatch these out. This lighting's really not the best, but they're really pretty and glowy. So I think I'm just gonna put the purple, like, let me get dressed and then we're gonna come back and figure out what color. Okay, well, getting dressed didn't really do anything. I'm wearing my gray Etern shirt, my Nina Bing jeans, and then I'm gonna wear my green Nikes. So I guess the green kind of helps figure out Can you tell? Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready.
It just makes you look airbrushed. You do your
What's the product?
Look, I'm excited for the runway today. The nerves are rolling. I've had it since sophomore year of college.
Those are your TikTok, Carl. You didn't see.
Oh my god.
You want some?
Yeah.
Yeah, look up. But like in your face, like angle your chin down and just look up. Look up! I'm doing what you should be doing too. Like. Your T-zone. So you don't look so like greasy like you do now. You know what I got this from?
Where?
One of my friends had this might not make the YouTube, had a really bad hickey during depth season. Mom bought it. Hey y'all, we got some apple spritz and I got a beer. I cannot do it.
No flash. Look at some of the ones I took last night.
Oh. Stress. I'm stressed.
We're having some Thai.
Is this TV called Corner? Yeah. Like, you just see the blue dot just like in the street. And it's not moving. And we're like, he's like half a mile from the house. He got so drunk, he passed out on the sidewalk with a pizza on top of him.
Good morning. It's 8 a.m. and we're going to go get coffee and then go over to Hayes' house. I've been up since 5:30. Don't know why. Great, thank you. I appreciate it. Of course, you have a good day. You too. Hayes is making me dunk my face. So what there?
I've looked better.
I've looked better.
We all know we've looked better.
We all
look like shit.
Yeah, we all don't look great. Do it. Okay, do it again.
Make sure you remember how to hold breath.
Yeah, go.
Ski.
It's too cold!
I swear, I did it for fun, like for the 5th time. It felt good.
Great.
Just do it.
Come on, you gotta do it quick.
Cold plunge would not be your cup of tea.
I hate it.
You die first in Hunger Games.
You like forget how to hold your breath.
Watch and learn, bitches.
Yeah, I think it was good.
It's just trending.
He's just drinking the water. Y'all, let me have my piece.
The level just keeps going lower and lower.
You heard that hungover?
She's just chugging.
I think it feels nice.
The baby has to leave.
No, I'm so tired.
Where are you going?
Home.
Baby, please
I'm going
don't
home.
go. If you wake up tomorrow, will you still be here? I won't know. If you leave, I'm gonna find you.
I'm going home.
I'm going home.
Yeah, nice vehicle.
Here she is. There's our ride. Shotgun. Oh, wow. All right, y'all. So it is 11 p.m. or no, 11 a.m. And I just got home. We took Allie to the airport and I stopped at Trader Joe's and got some flowers and avocado packets for avocado toast this week, and then soy chorizo because I think I'm going to put this in some chili I'm going to make tonight. But I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog off here. The rest of the Sunday is just going to be a reset. I'm going to clean this apartment. I'm going to clean myself. I'm going to go for a long walk this afternoon and make a really good dinner, the whole 9 yards. But I honestly, like, I got in from Korea on Thursday and then went straight into this weekend, Friday morning, starting on the spin class. So I'm just going to sit for a second and watch a little bit of Netflix and chill. So hope you enjoyed this girls weekend vlog here in Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm leaving next week to go to London. So there's going to be another travel vlog up, which should be really fun. I'm going for work. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.